Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make movie summary videos. To begin, it's crucial to understand your target audience. Are they looking for a quick overview or a deeper dive? Next, identify the most critical plot points and character developments. A good summary typically runs for about 2 to 5 minutes, striking a balance between detail and brevity. This initial planning sets the foundation for a compelling and effective summary. Once you have your key points, focus on the narrative flow. Your opening, within the first 15 seconds, must hook the viewer immediately. Maintain a consistent and engaging pace, ensuring the story unfolds smoothly without rushing or dragging. Employ clear transitions between scenes or plot points to guide your audience effortlessly through the movie's journey. A well-paced narrative keeps viewers captivated from start to finish. Visuals and audio are paramount for an immersive experience. Incorporate relevant movie clips or high-quality stills to illustrate your narrative effectively. Pay close attention to audio quality. Clear narration and appropriate background music significantly enhance viewer engagement. Consider using text overlays for key character names, locations, or crucial plot details, making the information easily digestible. These elements combine to create a professional and captivating summary. Finally, the refinement stage is critical for a polished product. Thoroughly review your summary for clarity, conciseness, and factual accuracy, ensuring every detail is correct. Share your draft with a few trusted viewers to gather constructive feedback. Fresh eyes often spot areas for improvement. Lastly, optimize your video's title and description with relevant keywords to maximize its discoverability across various platforms. This final polish ensures your summary stands out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.